Hello, it's Peter here from Woodrow Handcrafts, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to use the baste and trace function on the Janome Memory Craft 9900. So, I'm in embroidery, that's the design I'm going to do. What I've done here, I've hooped my stabiliser and I've laid my fabric over the top of the stabiliser. But what I want to do now is to actually attach that to the stabiliser so it doesn't move. So the way to do that is with the menus options over here on the right hand side on the Memory Craft 9900, just go up or down until you find the square with an arrow. So if I press that one, I get another menu there on the screen. The first one is an actual trace function, so there's no stitching involved. That will just go around the outside of the design there. And as you can see, that's just going around just to show you where on your fabric where the design's actually going to be sitting. And you've also got in this part of the menu this arrow, there's buttons here so you can go to any of the four corners of the design just so you can check where that one's situated. Then working across the top you've got your basting stitch. So the middle button here is just your exterior basting stitch, so that will just do a basting stitch around the outside of the design. And the one I'm going to use is the button on the very right hand side, which does an interior and an exterior basting stitch. So what I'm talking about there is it does a basting stitch around the middle of the design more or less, and then one around the outside of the design. So I'll put the foot down and you just press start and that will go through and do its thing for us. And when that's finished, you're ready to start stitching and your fabric is attached to your stabiliser, and we've found that this is giving better results and eliminating a lot of the puckering that you will see with dense designs.